Let's discuss question number 41 from test 11. This is from engineering mechanics. A cubical block of ice of mass m and HL is placed in a large tray. So you have a large tray and you have a cubical ice of HL is placed in large tray. So this tray has some thickness. So the CG of the tray is here, the CG of the ice block is here. Okay. If the ice melts, how far does the CG of the system ice plus tray? So ice plus tray is my system. Okay, so before melting, let's see what is the CG before melting. So let's say if I take some reference here, so this is x1 and this is x2 before melting, and let's say mass of tray is small m, mass of capital tray is capital M, sorry, it is given capital M, and mass of ice is small m. So the CG before melting would be HCM would be, obviously from this reference level it will be capital M1 x1 plus small m h2, because their individual CGs are at distance h1 h2 from the reference, by total mass. So this is the general CG formula. Now now let's draw the tray again. Now if the ice melts, so obviously it will be all water and it will be spread throughout, right? Now because the tray is so large that once the entire ice melts, the level, the thickness or the depth to which water gathers, it can be neglected, right? So it's all x1 and the CG, so h2, basically I can say the new h2 dash will be basically the previous h2 minus L by 2, right? This is h2 and h2 basically now decreases by L by 2 because the water gets spread over the tray, and that basically has, so basically the entire h2, the CG of the ice block, that gets lowered by L by 2. So now the new CM would be capital M h1 will not change, small m, this will be h2 minus L by 2 by capital M plus m. So this is the original before melting, this is after melting, the CG. So now he is asking what is the difference, how far the center of the system lowers down. So I need to basically how far it lowers down is, so HCM minus H new I need to find. So capital M h1 plus small m h2 by m plus n. I need to subtract this from this. So m h1 plus, so this is just basic problem of CG calculation, rest is all same. So this will come out to be m by m plus m is common in the denominator. So mh1 mh2 minus mh1 minus mh2 plus ml by 2. So mh1 gets cancelled, mh2 get cancelled, you will get small ml by 2 m plus m. So the option for this is D. This is how the CG of this entire system lowers down when the water just gathers, I mean when the ice melts. So the answer for this is D. Thank you.